Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this big bag. See if I can get through it. I have a different pair of scissors. My others are being held captive over there somewhere. My daughter came yesterday and helped me adjust my table here, so we are good to go. Okay, these kits come from Fansells. If they have any discount codes, any specials, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. Alright, I do have 3 cross-stitch kits. And this one is 14 count, 22 by 22, and it was $3.40 or $3.40 or $3.90. I can't read my own writing. How's that? Let me open this up. It is a Joy Sunday kit. I just thought it was kind of cute. So let's see how cute is. Put that up there. All right. Isn't that cute? Grandma Rabbit series, making jam. Isn't that adorbs? And it looks like it's going to have half cross stitch. There's a lot of back stitch in that, but it's not too big. So that's a good thing. But I just thought it was kind of cute. And it does have 2 sets of numbers. This set goes to the paper pattern. This set goes to your canvas. It is 94 by 98 stitches. And we have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Total of 30 colors. We have 310 black and B5200 and a crew. Anything else I know? Not that I can see. So yeah, not too bad. And the pattern's all on this side and then a little bit on this side. So, very nice. Let's take a look at those colors. Comes with 2 needles. It does come on the good thread card with the product number, DMC number, and the thread card number. But very pretty colors, kind of pastel-y until you get to the black over here. And then on this side, oh, we do have 321 red, which is what I consider Christmas red. Greens, peaches, yellows, gorgeous. So not a whole bunch of thread there, but very nice. I guess they're using that 321 red for, what do you call it, for the jam part. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now since there is so much back stitching in this, this is going to kind of look a little blobby until you get it where you need to be, need it to be. And the numbers are kind of small, so it's a good thing that you have an extra copy of what the canvas numbers are and symbols. But yeah, I just thought it was cute. It is a little under 22 centimeters or 8.5 inches by 23 centimeters or 9 inches that way. So not too big. It is a partial. You only do the colored symbol part. And like I said, the background actually is all in half cross stitch. So yay. Very nice indeed. All right. And then let's take the next one. Is 14 count, 46 by 46. And it's called Beautiful Patterns 2. And it is, do I have, I did not write that one down. Just looking here. Okay. Making sure I had the right store some days. All right. But I'm assuming this is in the $10 range. And it is made just like the other one, only this one has more magenta, reds, and greens to it. So very nice. Nothing on that page. It is, it doesn't say there. We'll get it yet, honest to goodness. I'm sure you have 2 sets of numbers. Hang on. Yep. So this set goes to your canvas, and the one on this side, since they're all squares, that's how I know it goes to your paper pattern. There is no back stitch, half stitch, cross, just full cross. But very beautiful. Let's see what colors we have here. No 310 black. You do have that 939 again for the outlining. And no 3865. They're using 712 for a white. So we'll have to check that out. But very nicely printed. And there are 7 sections to this. So, yeah, whoops. Sorry, my bad. All right. Let's take a look at all those bright, vivid colors. Does come on a good thread card with 2 needles. Get it undone here. So there's your 310 black. Isn't that a pretty peach? It's like a peachish, more orange than peach, you know? Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Of course, we're going to have some teals in this one. And some, there's your 939. Kind of a rose color. And kind of an orangish red. And then over here, here's 601 red. So it's got more, it's more of a raspberry color. Kind of very nice. Very nice. Beautiful colors. Let's take a look at that canvas. Nice soft canvas. All right, let me see. I forgot to tell you, it is 210 by 209 in stitches. It is a partial as well. Very nice. Let's measure this. And all the edges are serged in Joy Sunday fashion. It is a little over 18 inches or 46 centimeters by approximately 45.5 centimeters or almost 18 inches. But very nice. I do like these patterns, and I saw this. I had to go back and forth to make sure it was different when I saw the other one, the one that I actually did get. Yeah. But very nice. Very well printed, very easy to see. There's no confetti. I mean, not nominal, very nominal. You know, if you just ran with one symbol, did all that, then do the next symbol, then do the next symbol, you know, you'd be perfectly fine. There's not a, no helter-skelter to that. Okay, the next one is also a Joy Sunday, and it is a 53 by 33, $10.19. Let me get it. All right. Whoop, got it upside down. This is called the Kiss the Mermaid Goodbye. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. I thought it was beautiful. I love all the colors, the water. You got dolphins, you got birds, even a little lighthouse over here. Just absolutely beautiful. Put that up there. You're going to have some back stitch in this. I don't know how much yet. Let's take a look. Turn it around. Okay, we have a total of 50 colors in this. You have 50 colors in full stitch, 1 in French knot, and 6 in back stitch. So the top one goes to the paper pattern, bottom one goes to the canvas. Sorry, I was thinking. Let's see. I don't see any colors that I know of. Maybe 823, 824. You have 310 black, B5200. Those are kind of normal. We have 3371, which is that dark brown, but very nice. I think I got this upside down. Not real sure. We will try. Just beautiful. And you got a little back stitch on the face and his arms and his hat and her face. So I mean, it's kind of nominal back stitch. I mean, if you're looking at it real close. Oops, we missed a whole page. So a little bit on the hand just to kind of define it, so that shouldn't be too big of a problem. Let's take a look at all these colors. Does come on a good thread card again, and 2 needles. Get them apart. There's 2 thread cards. I have to keep looking at that. That looks like 11 count for some reason. Nope, it's 14. All right. So there is your, we also have that pewter color, 3799, kind of a brown. Here's your 3371, the dark brown. Just beautiful. Beautiful colors. Then we get into the blues and oranges. And kind of yellow, which would kind of go for goldish color. Just beautiful. Lots of 310 black though. So, might use that a lot. Nice. Very nice. Let's take a look at the canvas. Whoops. If I can get it, everybody back where they all belong. Okay. So this is kind of a long and skinny one. It is 241 by 143. Nice, big, huge key. Here's your back stitch. Your French knot, so there's no half cross stitch. It is full coverage. I'm trying to get a hold of my tape measure. 51.5 centimeters, or a little over 20.25 inches by 33.5 centimeters, or a little over 13 inches. The actual picture size is 10.25 inches, or 26 centimeters by 43.5 centimeters, or a little over 17 inches. I just thought this was gorgeous. Love it. Just beautiful. Trying to see if there's any, not a lot of confetti, so that's a good thing. Might be some down in here where, you know, you get the detail of the water, that kind of thing. So very nice indeed. So thank you, Fansells, for sending me these 3 gorgeous kits. I love them all. Now, Fansells has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They usually have specials or sales this time of year, so do check them out and check out their great selection of all different kinds of products. I'm sure there's something for somebody there. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.